Okay. Again, these examples belongs to some haloalkanes and haloarenes. So out of that, this is haloalkane examples. Okay. See here carefully. Here one double bond is there in between, and one substituent which is Br is also. So we have to again, as per rule, we have to select the longest chain. How we can select longest chain? See, this is one carbon, two carbon, 1, 2, then 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay, so 5 carbon chain is there. Out of this 5, we can give the numbering from this side, also this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both way, you can see in 2 number there is one substituent which is Br, and from here the 2 number there is another substituent which is alkene. Okay, so as per rule, if bromine is there and alkene is there, so we have to give preference to the alkene. Okay, so then our numbering for this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 carbon chain is there and numbering is like this. But the 5 carbon alkane is pentane. But if double bond is there and double bond is in 2 position, so we have to write down pent 2 in, means we have to write down pentene, but the which number the double bond is there, 2 number position. Okay, so pent 2 in is a parent alkene. Then we have to think about the substituent. So one is substituent is not there, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 4 number bromine is there. Okay, so how we can write down the 4 bromo pent 2 in. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. Okay, we will see the another example. Almost the same. Again, we have to think about the longest chain. Okay, so carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, and carbon number 4. So 4 carbon chain is there. Numbering from this side 1, 2, so 2 number substituent, and from here 1 number substituent is there. Already substituent from starting carbon which is alkene. So preference from this side 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 1 number alkene and total carbon number is 4. So 4 carbon alkane is butane, but rather than butane we have to write down butene, but butane in which position? Number 1. So but 1 in, but 1 in is the parent alkene. And now we have to think about the substituent. For first carbon, no substituent. For second carbon, one substituent is there which is methyl, and the third carbon another substituent is there which is bromo. Here methyl is there, but this is a part of longest chain. Okay, so we have to think only for the bromine. So 2 number position methyl, 3 number position bromo. Out of these 2 and 3, which we have to write down first? Again, as I have mentioned before, the alphabetically we have to do the preference. It means that 3 bromo, comma 2 methyl, but 1 in. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. Very interesting. We will see another some example. See here, again we have to select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, only the option. Again, from this side or this side. So above side, because the 2 number position alkene, 2 number position bromine is there. So preference from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 carbon alkane is pentane. We have to write down pentene, but pentene, the double bond is in which position? 2 position. So like before, pent 2 in. Okay, pent 2 in is the parent alkene. Now we have to think about the substituent. 1 carbon no substituent, second carbon no substituent, third carbon there is one substituent which is methyl, and fourth carbon one substituent which is bromo. Again the same way, 4 bromo 3 methyl pent-2-ene. So write down 4 bromo 2 methyl pent-2-ene. Right? We will go move for the next substance. Next compound is, select the longest chain carefully, 1 2 3 4, or 1 2 3 4. We can mention use this one also, but here no substituent, but substituent is here last carbon, so we have to think for this carbon 1 2 3 4. Again from this side nomenclature or downside, because the one number carbon having substituent. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. If we have given numbering from this side, then 1 2, then 2 number having alkane. Understand? So this numbering is the correct numbering, 1 2 3 4. Then we have to write down 4 carbon butane. We have to write down the butene, but in which position? 2 number position, double bond is there. So but 2 in, and we have to think on the substituent. The first carbon substituent is bromo, second carbon is methyl. So one substituent bromo, second substituent methyl. That's it. So write down 1 bromo 2 methyl but-2-ene. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. See the next example, second last example. Select the longest chain. Okay, again the carbon 1 2 3 4. Okay, or the same way just now we have seen 1 2 3 4. So we have to do the preference for this carbon 1 2 3 and 4. So there are 4 carbons are there. Understand? So 4 carbon is butane, and which position double bond is there? Butene, but-2-ene, 1 2 3 4. Then we have to think on substituent. 1 bromo, first substituent is here, 2 there is no substituent, 3 there is no substituent, 4 there is no substituent. It means that 1 bromo but-2-ene. This is the nomenclature of this compound. What about here? Yes, think carefully. Okay, here is 1 carbon, here is another carbon, here is 3. Means 3 carbon chain is there. Understand? Why this carbon we have not taken in the longest chain? Because there is no substituent. So this is the longest chain. Numbering from this side or this side, again the preference should be from alkene side. Okay, here 1 number alkene, 1 number bromo. Preference is for alkene. So propane or propene, prop-1-ene. This is the parent alkene, prop-1-ene, and numbering from this side 1 2 and 3. And the position, the substituent is 1 number position there is no substituent, 2 number position there is substituent, and 3 number position there is another substituent. So we have to write down 3 bromo 2 methyl propene. Write down 3 bromo 2 methyl 1 in. So we have solved 6 examples belongs to this alkene category. Okay, we will see. I will remove this and then we will come with the next examples. Yes, thank you.